Let me tell you, I am not real, but I look like a human. You are definitely thinking about how to make it. I will teach you this. But first of all, meet my brother Jordy.
Hello guys, how are you? I just wanted to show off my new and unique shirt. It's good, right? No? Huh, come on. I know you are jealous.
Have you seen this video? It's incredible, right? Because this is so realistic, and also you can create these realistic avatar videos in just minutes. Don't worry, it is free to try. In this video, I'm sharing a magical tool that makes it all possible. So without further ado, let's dive in. This fantastic tool is called Wondershare Verbo, and you can find the link to this website in the description below. Here are some cool features this AI tool offers: AI avatars, AI voices, AI video translator, AI script generator, AI talking photos, and many other useful AI tools. It's available for Windows, mobile phones, and can be used online. You have two options: use it online or download it on your computer. I'm going to download it. Once it's downloaded, install it on your computer. Once it is installed, open it. You'll see this interface. It has a complete list of over 300 avatars, including Japanese, Chinese, Indian, Muslim, and more. You can find characters in various professional and casual outfits. To create a video like you saw at the beginning of this video, click on Fix Background. Here, you'll find male and female characters in different outfits and backgrounds. Select any character you like and start creating. I like this one. Click on Create Video and select the aspect ratio. I will go with Landscape. This is the Wondershare Verbo's creator page. Here are two options: text script and audio upload. You can upload audio, extract audio from a video, and record your voiceover online. I'm not going to write a script, so I will upload a voiceover here. Select the language. In my case, this is English, which is already selected. Click on Apply. Okay, so here you can see that it automatically captures my audio and transcribes it into text. On the right side panel, you can do some additional customization, like changing the background. Here are some default backgrounds you can use in your videos, or you can upload any image as a background. You can add a color background like a green screen and other colors. Change the aspect ratio from here. Also, you can crop the background. You can add background music from here. There is a vast library of music available for your video that you can use. Alternatively, you can upload music from your computer to use in your video. You can turn subtitles on or off with this toggle button. I usually keep them off. You can choose any other layout from here. After making all the changes, click on Export in the top right corner. Since we are using the free version of Wondershare Verbo, we can only export our video in 720p. But don't worry, I'll show you later in this video how to upscale your video and remove the watermark. The videos you generate will be available in the My Creations section. The video has been exported. Let's check out the result.
Let me tell you, I am not real, but I look like a human. You are definitely thinking about how to make it.
Guys, just look at that. How realistic it is. Click here to download the video to your computer. Open your browser and search for CapCut.com. Open the first website and sign up with your Google account. Then you will be on this page. Click on the magic tools from the left side panel. Then open Video Upscaler. Upload the video you downloaded from Verbo. When it is uploaded, click on the Upscale button. Wait for some time. When it is done, click on Export and download your upscaled video. It's time to remove the watermark from this video. Drag and drop this video to CapCut. Click on the plus icon to add it to the timeline. Adjust the size of the video and remove the watermark in such a way that our avatar is in the center so the video doesn't get damaged or look bad. When you are satisfied, just export the video from CapCut. Let me show you the final result.
Let me tell you, I am not real, but I look like a human. You are definitely thinking about how to make it. I will teach you this.
You can see the video looks amazing now. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. But before I go, I would love to hear about your experience with creating avatar videos using Wondershare Verbo. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.